Previously on Transformers. Soon, Optimus Prime. Soon will be destroyed. Transformers. Rise the Crowbar, Part 2. Laserbeak, what's the alert? A Decepticon named Bone Crusher has infiltrated the base and stole a component from the back. What is the Decepticons up to? Don't know. I'm almost done modifying up the blasters. So we're gonna try and come with any Decepticon comes near about 2 meters away, they'd be destroyed instantly. I'm gonna find out what the part is. I'm gonna find out what they took. They took the power source. Without it, we can't power up any of our technology or the defenses. Autobots, Metatron ordered his cons to take the power source from the ship. Without it, we can't power any of the weapons, so we can't defend ourselves. That's right, Ratchet. We need to find them. We need to find it. That's why I'm going. That's why I'm going? Yes. Yes, sir. Forget about cons. It's the Autobot. Get him. Oh. Take away his weapon, so I can't bring away to me anymore. Just right away. I'm surprised he managed to pass out the fences. What does this do? Don't touch anything. Oops. Forgive me, Lord Metatron. You are a nuisance, just like my old command, my old system command, Starscream. Ow, scrap, that hurt. I wonder why is the Autobot doctor here? He must be looking for something that we need to destroy the Autobots. Autobot base cameras. You've been spotted? I told you not to get spotted. You're more useless than the other drone. Oh. I'm sorry, Lord Metatron. Please no, I'm taking you off the battlefield for now. And make this doctor a Decepticon soldier. Ha 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 ha.